Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is CNET, Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to discuss about seminar. Seminar is one of the classroom method of teaching. This seminar is an instructional technique. Now here in seminar, teacher has got a very less role of leadership, but teacher take an opportunity to train the student, have some discussion. A guidance will be given by the teacher to meet the need of a student, where students are having a discussion, sharing an idea about a particular topic or any matter which related to particular subject. The definition of seminar. Seminar can be defined as exchange of an idea in some particular areas or guided discussion of any concepts. Types of seminar. Mainly, there are 4 types of seminar: mini seminar, main seminar, national seminar, international seminar. Mini seminar. Now, this mini seminar can be organized in the classroom level. In particular class, teacher taking an opportunity to organize a seminar or group discussion where students are taking active part. This is very important so that students get an idea how to organize a seminar, so that they can organize a higher level of seminars in their college or any levels. These provide an opportunity for the students to speak up. It encourages students to have active participation in seminar activity. Main seminar. The main seminar is organized by college in the university level or different school or college level. They are asking for the speakers from the different streams who are expert in a concept. Such people are invited, then the seminar will be organized. National seminar. Now this national seminar is organized at the national level. People from or experts or speakers from different stream, those who are well trained, well expert in different departments and different subjects, they are invited as a speaker. They are presenting their ideas and viewpoints regarding the discussion topic. Last one is international seminar, where it is organized in the international level. We might have an audience or speakers from the different nation, so that we are able to have a open discussion about certain global topics, like any issues, any problems or any kind of global issues can be discussed in this international seminar. Next, technique or some tips to improve this seminar. A seminar, one who is conducting the seminar, they should have a proper idea that what you mean by seminar. It should be well planned, well organized. A speaker should have a prior information that when is the seminar and where the seminar is organized. Make all the arrangements, like physical arrangements, a seating arrangement. If the seminar is followed with any refreshment or lunch, for that certain arrangements of all the systems, like if you want any laptop, sound system, all things should be arranged prior the session begins. You should have a list of program how you are going to conduct, because you are not supposed to waste your time. All the speakers should be ready for the presentation. And a seminar is a well planned activity, so that we need a president or secretary, one who can organize the seminar in a systematic way. Next, composition of this seminar. Now the seminar include one president, one organizer, one observer, participants and speakers. Now here we are discussing the role of this seminar members, like all these composition members are involved in the seminar. We are discussing their roles. A role of an organizer. Now organizer taking opportunity to organize a seminar. He will fix the date, time, venue, which topic, where you are talking, who all are talking, how you are talking, how long you will talk, what all the necessary arrangements are required to organize the seminar is done by the organizer. They are taking entire responsibility of conducting the program. Next is president. This president is a chairman who has got entire control over the program. He should be thorough about the topic. He should have all the information about the speakers who is going to speak which topic, and a basic information of the speaker must be known by this president. And before the seminar starts, a president or this mediator will introduce the topic, and he will introduce the speaker who is going to talk. About him he will describe. After the session he is going to thank the speaker. So this will be a role of a president, where he must thorough about his duty and responsibilities. Then the speaker. Now speaker take an opportunity to speak or present the topic. He must thoroughly prepare for the topic. He must take the exact time which is given for him to speak. He should have a clear voice, loud voice. He should not be too speed or too slow to speak, and he should have a positive approach toward the seminar. A seminar, definitely you will have a criticism, and he should be emotionally stable to accept all kind of the criticisms. Next, participants. Now participants are the audience who take part in the seminar session. They should get involved in the seminar activity. In between the seminar, when it is going on, they cannot speak in between, but when the discussion floor is open, audience can take the opportunity to speak, or they can ask any question, they can put forward any doubt or any other issues which can be discussed with the speakers. So this will be the responsibility of audience. Last, we are having one observer. Now this observer can be any expert or any one person whom is selected from the audience. But the thing is that this observer cannot take part in the seminar session. He will be just sitting and observing. Now, at the end of the program, he can present his view. How the seminar was, how it happened, any problems, any issues, or what is the positive, how they can improve. All his points, what he observed throughout the seminar, can be presented by observer. Now, the advantages of seminar. Definitely, seminar is useful for all the students so that it improves the critical thinking or cognitive thinking skill of an individual. It helps in problem solving. Students can take an active participation in a seminar session. It requires or it provides an opportunity for the students to make all the preparation to organize the seminar and get involved in the seminar. It also gives an opportunity to the students to understand about himself, as well as develop certain qualities like tolerance. Because definitely we will have certain criticism or some negative ideas or negative approaches. In that case, they should able to tolerate, improve the teamwork, improve the collaborative work, as well as cooperation, understand each other and help each other. So these all are the advantages what we can get because of seminar. Meantime, we can also have certain disadvantages. Maybe this seminar session may not be suitable for all the educational level, all the groups. Even if you take a small group students, you cannot do any seminar for them. Maybe lower primary, high school students, it may doesn't work. Level of your audience, interest of audience, that will be a barrier here. You are speaking some matter, but the audience is not at all interested. Without gathering the interest of our audience, you are organized the seminar. Definitely, and result is nothing. Then maybe in a speakers, one may be very talkative or he may dominate the group so that others may not get an opportunity to speak, or others timing is consumed by one person. See, now the seminar may lose its track. Time consuming, it requires a lot of time and patience for the students to get prepared for the seminar. It requires a general IQ level for the students, so that without that they cannot just prepare, just like that they cannot come for the seminar. Also, it may cause physical and mental emotional tiredness to the student. So at the end of the seminar they may fall into sleep. So these all are the barriers or disadvantages what we can notice in seminar. So students, you can expect a 2, 3, 5 marks question on seminar, or a lengthy question, long essay that explain classroom method of teaching and list any two. Definitely you can write about seminar now. A seminar is nothing but, I would like to summarize, seminar is nothing but is a kind of discussion or sharing idea about particular subject or topic. Type of seminar: mini seminar, main seminar, national seminar, international seminar. Composition of seminar is observer, participant, speaker, president, organizer. Definitely role of all these members of this seminar group. Seminar techniques, same what we are using. Now definitely what happened in seminar, one more disadvantage, like two ideas may form, anti ideas or favorable ideas, so that has to be managed. Then please write about advantage and disadvantages about seminar. I hope you understood. Please keep watching. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you all.